Hello. In this video, I'll cover when a case is going to go back and forth between the lab and the doctor for things like a try-in case. So it's going to go out to the doctor, but then it's going to come back to the lab for additional work and how you can accomplish that within CZONA. So let's go to the order screen and we have a case, let's say that's a try-in that needs to go back to the doctor, but then again, come back to the lab for additional work. What you can do is mark the case as complete and await return. So, when I do this, it's going to go to my shipping screen because it's going to be shipped out to the doctor. So I'm going to click on complete and await return. On the shipping side, here is that case, complete and await return. So I'm going to ship this out to the doctor. So we'll mark this as being shipped. And when I do that, that case goes actually on hold. So back on the order screen under my hold orders, I'll see that case. Here it is right here. So it's now at the doctor's awaiting return. And what I can do here is I can even provide more information. So I could, say sent try-in, um, system remind me maybe next Monday about this case. And we'll give it a color. So now we've just kind of added a sticky note to this case. So when I go to my hold orders, I can see a little bit more information. So once that case does come back, I can then put it back into production. So let's say this case does come back in. I can then come in here, mark it as being in production, give it a due date. And then, I can also change the color if I want, but then, hit save here. And now the case is back into production and we're working on it again. It's back into the lab. So just to sort of demonstrate that again, I have active cases. If I need to send a case to a doctor where it's like a try-in, it's going to come back to the lab, I'm going to use my complete and await return status. So I'm going to mark this as complete and await return. And when I do that, it's going to go to my shipping screen because I need to ship it out. So here it is on the shipping screen. I then, mark it as being shipped. When I do that, it automatically goes on hold, awaiting return. So it's on hold, awaiting return. If I want to, I could add a label to provide, more information like a sticky note. But then when that case comes back into the lab, we simply give it a due date. We mark it as being now in production and then hit save. And now the case is back in the lab and we're working on it. We've got some reporting to sort of help you manage your cases that are awaiting return. It's under operations, TBD orders, to be determined orders. So here it's showing me that I have two cases that are on hold, and it shows me the number of days that they've been out of the lab. And you can use this to sort of, keep track of them. Like I said, this example, this is kind of ridiculous. This is a demo site. That's why you're seeing this crazy data. But, if it's been out 30 days, you can come in here and see that, and then maybe you decide just to bill it out. But this report will help you sort of, tell you how long it's been out of the lab.